All right, y'all. So I'm putting together this Gen 5 6.2, originally an L86, but I'm deleting direct injection. I'm just gonna run it on port injection with a Haltech LS Rebel. This engine is gonna go in the 59. So I already got 7 of these slugs slapped in. This is the last one. I got these from Texas Speed. They're the JE pistons and their connecting rod. They seem pretty solid, but these spring clips are a pain to put in. But anyway, we got these together. Let's finish filing the rings, slap this sucker on, and then maybe we can put the heads on it. All right, y'all, we got these assembled. The top ring, I did it to 22,000 or 20,000s. The second ring is at 22,000s. And you got your oil control rings. Whenever you line these up, make sure the gap is at opposing ends. See, and then I got the oil control ring is right here, and then the top and bottom are opposite of each other. I file these with a regular file. Would a piston ring filer be nice? Yes. Am I cheap? Also yes. But this works. When you file the top ring, this one's usually the tougher metal, so it takes a little bit longer. The second ring is usually cast. This one files a lot easier, so you gotta be careful, you can go way off. But yeah, I already got the bearing on this one. Let's slap her in and bolt it up. I still need to torque all the rod caps, so let's do that. Forgot to mention, one thing you gotta watch out for, the LS and the LTs, the connecting rod looks the same when you look at it from like the top. The inside, however, is different. One side has a chamfer on it. This side is the side that's gonna ride against the counterweight on the crank. This side goes against the opposing connecting rod. So you'll see that here in a bit. Here's what I'm talking about. See the chamfered side on the rod, this is where it's getting oil from. Well, other than the passages or whatever, but. So that oil is gonna come in through here and be able to lubricate the bearing itself. So it should be the same on both sides. So the opposite side, the chamfer is gonna be on this side. Same all the way across. So keep that in mind. I did the bottom end on the C7 and I messed up like 2 of them. So I had to take those back out, flip the rod on the piston, and then stab it all back in. It was a lot of extra work that I probably should have double checked, but you live and you learn. Let's bolt these up and then torque them, and then we should be ready for heads. All right, we're Gucci. Motor spins really good. I also put main bearings in this one. I got the Mali main bearings. I just reused the main cap bolts. Thrust is good, and on these The Gen 5 only has a 180-degree thrust bearing in the center on the third bearing. The replacement that I got was for an LS, and it comes with a 360-degree thrust bearing for the middle. And the only thing I have to do is grind off a little tang that where the bearing mounts on top. But spins pretty good. We'll find out when it blows up in the truck, but I think it'll be a pretty good stout little motor. Eventually I plan to put twins on it, but that truck needs a ton of work before I get there. So I just need to get this knocked out because I got another project coming in. I'm gonna put this together, just put the heads and stuff on it. Just leave it ready for when I'm ready for the 59. But I got another project coming in that's getting, excuse the mess, we just pulled that 350 out, it's junk. We're gonna put this 6.0 in a 1970 step side C10, really nice truck, but it's got a beat up 350. So we're gonna take that out. He's already got like $8,000 worth of parts for this motor. And this will be the 4L60 that we're putting behind it. He's not planning any like huge power adders, so he just wants a nice cruiser. So I think the 4L60 will be able to handle it. But yeah, I need to get that engine off the stand, throw this one on and start stripping it down. Pretty much just get it down to the bare block. We're doing cam and nice intake, torque converter, all that. So I'll probably put that on YouTube. This stuff is probably just going on Reels, TikTok maybe. But camera's dirty, hands are dirty, but thanks for hanging out. Peace.